All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the Kashmir is a United Nations designated dispute that needs peaceful resolution as per the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in a statement issued in Srinagar pointed out that the intensified use of military power, upsurge in raids on residences of the common people, including activists and youth, and attaching the properties of the Kashmiris are indicative of the sadistic and unrealistic approach adopted by the Bharatiya Janata Party's puppet regime and its establishment towards the people of the caged Jammu and Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have paid glowing tributes to the Jammu martyrs of November 1947 and reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve that sacrifices of the martyrs will not go waste. According to Kashmir Media Service, hundreds of thousands of the Kashmiris were massacred by the forces of the Maharaja Hari Singh, Indian Dogra Army and Hindu extremists in different parts of the Jammu region while they were migrating to Pakistan during the first week of November in 1947. Residents of the villages of Sopore in the Baramulla district staged a protest against the severe water scarcity in the area for the last many years. According to Kashmir Media Service, the residents said that they have been experiencing a shortage of drinking water for the last several years, and despite their complaints, the authorities have not resolved the long pending issue.